Part 2. Scriptwriter Agent, Crafting the Content. Now that we have 5 trending AI topics from Agent 1, Part 2 covers our second agent, the scriptwriter. This agent takes each topic and creates a voiceover text script, essentially the narration for the video, covering that subject. We won't add any fancy tags or formatting, just a well-written script in natural language that can be read aloud in a video. What it does: the scriptwriter is like the content creator on our AI team. For each trending topic, it generates a compelling narrative or explainer. The goal is to produce a script that's engaging, informative, and suitable for a YouTube voiceover. It should introduce the topic, cover key points or news about it, and provide some conclusion or takeaway. Think of a 3 to 5 minute YouTube video's spoken content, roughly 800 or 1,000 words for each topic. As that length works well for viewer retention. How it fits in: this is the heart of our pipeline. The scripts it generates will later be turned into actual videos with voice and visuals. If the trend finder gave us what to talk about, the scriptwriter decides what to say about it. It transforms a raw topic, e.g., new GPT-4 features, into a polished mini-story or repeat that our eventual video will deliver. Without this agent, we'd have topics with no content. With it, we automatically produce the informational value that draws viewers. Tools and techniques. We'll leverage AI text generation to write these scripts. There are a few paths here. Open source large language models, LLMs. We can use free models like Llama 2, Falcon, or DALL-E 2.0 that have been trained to follow instructions and generate text. Using the Hugging Face Transformers library, for example, you can load a model and have it produce a script given a prompt. The benefit is cost, free to run, aside from computing power, and control, no external API calls. The downside is you need a decent machine to run larger models. Still, the open source route has become very viable. Models like DALL-E 2.0 were explicitly released for anyone to use and fine-tune for tasks like this. Cloud APIs, optional ChatGPT. If you have access to OpenAI's API or another AI service, you can harness powerful models like GPT 3.5 or GPT-4 to generate the scripts. This isn't free, beyond maybe some initial credits or a ChatGPT Plus subscription, but it's straightforward and yields high-quality results. For instance, GPT-4 is excellent at producing coherent, high-retention YouTube scripts. You would send a prompt like, write a YouTube video script about include an engaging intro, key points, and a conclusion. Make it friendly and informative. The model would then return a full script. We can even ask it to adopt a certain tone, enthusiastic or journalistic, etc. We'll focus on the free, open-source approach, with notes on the optional API usage, step-by-step, scriptwriter. Gather the topics. This agent takes input from Agent 1. That could be as simple as reading a list of topics that the trend finder saved. For each topic in that list, the scriptwriter will generate a script. In code, you might loop over the topics array, formulate a prompt, craft a clear instruction for the AI model. Even open-source models respond better if given context. For example, you are an expert explainer. Write a 5-minute YouTube video script about the topic, AI-powered health apps. The script should have a hook at the beginning to grab attention, then explain what AI is doing in health apps, give a couple of examples or recent developments, imagine what they might be, and end with why it matters. Write in a conversational, clear style, as if talking to a general audience. This prompt sets the stage for the model to do a good job. Essentially, we guide the AI on structure. Intro, dies, body, d, conclusion. Generate the script. Use the chosen tool to generate text with the prompt. If using an open-source model via Hugging Face, you'd load the model and tokenizer, then use model to generate with your prompt. It might take some trial and error to get length right. You can set a max tokens or ask the model to keep it concise. If using OpenAI API, call the OpenAI completion, create, or OpenAI chatCompletion.create with the prompt. The model will return the script text. Review and refine, optional. AI outputs might need a little polishing. Common things to check. Did it stay on topic and factually plausible? Are there any parts that sound off or too generic? You can either tweak the prompt and regenerate, or manually edit if needed. Repeat for each topic. Do this for all 5 topics. Now you should have 5 separate scripts, each a few minutes worth of spoken content, ready to be turned into videos. As it runs, you'll see the scriptwriter churn out content. For example, for new GPT-4 features, it might write an intro like, "In the fast-paced world of AI, GPT-4 just got even smarter. In today's video, we'll explore the newest features that have everyone talking." It will then outline those features and conclude. Meanwhile, for AI-powered health apps, the script could start with a scenario. Imagine your phone could save your life. Thanks to AI, that's becoming reality. Welcome back to our AI update, and today we're looking at how artificial intelligence is powering health apps. Each script is tailored to its topic. By the end of this part, Agent 2 has essentially written our video content for us. We have the stories to tell. Keep these script files, or text outputs, ready. Agent 3 will need them next. It's pretty amazing. With modern AI models, even free ones, content generation can be automated. We're tapping into that power to generate YouTube scripts in seconds. Just a couple of years ago, this level of writing would strictly be manual work. Big picture. Recap. AI multi-agent designs let us divide complicated problems into tractable units of work that specialized agents can handle. Here, the complicated problem is generating viral videos and running a YouTube channel. Let's quickly recap our agents in order to clarify how data flows. Agent 1, Trend Finder, outputs a list of trending AI topics or video ideas. Agent 2, Scriptwriter, takes each topic and outputs a script or the video narration content. Agent 3, SEO and Uploader, takes each script plus the rendered video file and uploads it to YouTube with a good title, description, and tags. If you enjoy the video series, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more AI-powered content creation tips and tools. https www.youtube.com/@derivaAITrader. To get the most out of what you've learned, watch the entire 5-part series from start to finish. It's the complete blueprint for building your own automated YouTube video creator using 3 powerful AI agents. Building a multi-agent AI video creator system. When you're ready to take action, you can either build the 3 AI agents video creator pipeline yourself, or save time and effort by purchasing each agent separately, or get the full bundle at a discounted promo 50% off price. Simply click YouTube Video Pipeline tab at the following webpage for more information. https://derivaaitrader.com/AI services. You'll find the links to grab the full pipeline or any individual agent in the video description or pinned comment below. Build smarter, create faster, and let AI handle the heavy lifting.